Hi everyone! Toys Academy here. We have Minnie Bowtique Cash Register by Disney. Minnie makes phrases and realistic sounds. Let's look at the box. Minnie's winking at us here. This is the back of the box. And again, we have Minnie winking at us. Time to open it up. Minnie's cash register is more of the colors pink and purple. We have Minnie's big bow over here, colors pink with a white polka dots. On each sides of the LCD screen, we can see the pictures of Daisy and Minnie Mouse. This is the calculator, and this button, light pink in color, bow in shape. If we press this one, we can hear Minnie saying different phrases. And then this button here, color purple, if we press this will open the cash drawer. Okay, let's do it again. And we have here the scanner, color light pink. It has Minnie's bow, and this scanner makes a realistic beep sound. This cash register has a lot of intricate designs. We can see her hearts, bows, Minnie's logo. These designs are also found at the back. Here's the bows, the hearts, and we can see here Minnie Mouse. This is the speaker. And this cash register comes with 2 batteries that can be found under this cover. It comes with Minnie's paper bill. We have 1, 5, 10, and 20. Let's put this inside the cash drawer. We also have Minnie's coin. At the back of each coin, we can see Minnie's bow. We have a 10-cent coin, 25, and 5. And this is Minnie's credit card. This is Minnie's grocery basket, color light pink. It has a pretty hearts design. basket has a handle color purple, and it comes with a red apple and croissant. The rest of the grocery items like this can and the cupcake comes from Minnie's Bowtique kitchen playset. Okay, I think we're ready to check out. And the total is $29. How do we pay it? $20 will be paid in cash and the rest will be charged in the credit card. Here's the $20 bill. And the credit card. Swipe it. One more time. Okay, everything's good. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos.